Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which is if the chromosome in an ovum is 16 in an angiosperm, then what will be the chromosome numbers of the integuments, antipodal cells, embryo, endosperm and nucellus respectively? Option A 32, 16, 32, 48, 32. Option B 6, 14, 42, 28, 14. Option C 16, 14, 28, 42, 28. Option D 42, 28, 14, 30, 14. Now let us understand the question which says if the chromosome in an ovum is 16 in an angiosperm. Okay. They're telling that in the ovum there is 16. The chromosome number is 16. So what about the chromosome numbers in case of integuments, antipodals, embryo and endosperm and even nucellus? So let us now try to understand. Ovum, we know it is haploid in nature. So that is nothing but N. N is 16. Now integuments are diploid in nature. They consist of diploid cells. These are the protective cells which are present around within the ovule. Okay. So these are 2N. So what do you mean by 2N? 2 into N is nothing but 16. So that will be 32. Okay. So integument will be 32. Okay. Next is what? Antipodals. What are antipodals? Antipodals are the haploid cells which are present in the chalazal region, right? Okay. Opposite to the micropolar region. So these are haploid in nature. So haploid in the sense, these are again 16 because so N is ovum is 16. So antipodals also are haploid. They also will be 16. So here integument we got 32. Antipodals we got 16 and then comes the embryo. So embryo has been formed by the zygote by meiotic division, and zygote we know it is nothing but 2N. It is diploid. So 2N will be what? 2 into 16. Again, it will be 32. So zygote will be 32. Now endosperm. What about endosperm? Endosperm is triploid. We know that. Okay. So triploid means it is 2N or you can say 3N. That is 2 of the polar nuclei and 1 of the male gamete. So you can say 3N. That is nothing but 3 into 16 and that will be nothing but 48. So this is 48. Okay. Now what about nucellus? Nucellus is the nutritive tissue which is enclosed within the integuments. So nucellus is diploid in nature and hence it will be 2 into N, that is 2 into 16, it will be 32. So our answer should be 32, 16, 32, 48, 32. So let us see. So option A says 32, 16, 32, 48, 32. Yes, that is the right answer. Whereas the other option B says 6, 14, 42, 28, 14 is wrong because we didn't get 6 anywhere. And option C says 16, 14. So again, 14, you don't get 14 because ovum itself is having 16. You don't get less than that. Hence it is ruled out. Option D says 42, 28. So, integuments 14, it says, and then it says antipodals are 28, which is totally wrong. Okay, so it is wrong. So the correct option is what? The correct option is option A. So let us conclude the answer. That is option A. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.